Hey, what's up you guys? It's Andrea and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing the June Boxyluxe unboxing and try on. So if you want to see what I got in this month's Boxyluxe, then keep on watching. So let's open the box. I already took a peek to see what I'm gonna need and what I'm not gonna need makeup wise, but this month's Boxyluxe and Boxycharm theme is getaway. So we got 9 products in this month's box, one of them being a freaking blow dryer. Like, this is crazy. So this is the PYT Mini Turbo on the go blow dryer. It comes in this cute little bag. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, I don't know how many colors there are, but I got the purple one. It's so cute and little. This is like perfect for traveling. I kind of love it. Also gets the diffuser and the little regular brush head. So I'm gonna be trying this out today. I washed my hair this morning. It's kind of like air dried a little bit, but we can like dry it up a little more, maybe use the diffuser and try them both out. Okay, so I took her out and plugged it in. Now we're gonna try first just the little regular head that it comes with. We have the power at 1. It warms up, heats up super quickly, and this is 2. So this little hair dryer has a lot of power. Wow. I don't really know how to blow dry my hair, so I feel like this would be a nice way to practice. I usually just like air dry it, but I don't know how to like really do it with the brush, you know? Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and try the diffuser. So at first glance, it's awesome. Only problem I'm having is that the little heads keep popping off whenever I'm doing my hair, but it's fine. The fact that this retails for $85 and this whole entire box is only like $50 is incredible. So this is amazing so far. I'll definitely keep on trying this out. I put my hair up because it's just a puffy mess right now and I can't be bothered to do it. So I ended up having to put my hair down because what we have next in the box is this Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. This is great. I've tried many Living Proof's hair products and they are amazing. This retails for $29 and it's just like a volumizing spray. Ooh, it smells good. Ooh, it has like a nice texture. I really like that. I like it so far. This is something that you also have to keep trying out, see if you really like it, but Living Proof products are great, so I'm not mad about it at all. Okay, so moving on, we actually have this Dr. Brandt Yogurt Cleanser. I will be trying this out later to remove my makeup because it says that it removes excess oil, makeup, pollution, and just everyday grime. So we'll test that out later. But next in the box, we have this No Problem, I can never say that right, Prime Essence with Calendula Officinalis Flower Extract. Okay. So this is from the brand Touch and Soul, and this retails for $23. So it's just let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch and Soul Problem Prime Essence infused with these weird flower oils. It just tightens up pores and it keeps your skin silky smooth. What I noticed with this primer is that it's like liquidy. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's like so liquidy and I'm kind of scared because I have oily like T-zone area and I get oily super fast. If this is like oil on oil, it's going to be terrible. It comes out super like oily and it feels oily. So let's just see how this goes. I'm applying it to my skin and it feels hydrating in a way. Compared to the other one, that one is more like mattifying. Like I put it on and I can kind of see oils go away. With this one, I can see some oils coming out. So let's see. I'm looking at the zoom mirror and I don't really see much of a difference, but let's see when I apply my foundation how the foundation applies. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation, my concealer, set everything, and I'll be right back to test out the next product. I'm back. So I did my foundation, my powder, concealer. I'm still trying out the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation from my second to last video, so you should go check that out. And I'm using the Cover FX translucent powder, which I'm still loving. I'm super excited to try out the next item in this box. It is a Tarte product. Tarte is actually one of the first high-end brands I ever purchased, and it's always been one of my faves. And I've never tried this palette out. This is the Tarte's Pro Glow Cheek Palette, Volume 3. So again, full-size product, and this one retails for $45. So this is what the packaging looks like. It brings 2 little mirrors in here, 2 blushes, 2 highlights, and like a contourish bronzer shade here. So I'm gonna use this on my face. First, I'm gonna bronze up and contour because I'm looking pale. So I'm gonna go in with Backstage and my Luxie 512 small contouring brush and chisel out my cheeks. But it looks pretty nice. I'm gonna bronze now. This is the shade Autograph right here. I'm gonna bronze using this. I'm kind of excited because this has like some shimmer in it, and I currently don't own any bronzers with shimmer, so I feel like this would be super nice for the summer. Alright, so moving on to blush, I'm using my Luxie 516 Dual Fiber Powder, and I think I'm gonna go in with this more like mauve color right here. That one is called Premiere. Oh, and on my eyes, I'm wearing the Pure Festival palette, just in case you wanted to know. So far, they have a really nice pigmentation, and they're blending out so easily, but I mean, what can you expect? It's Tarte, and I live for their face products. Okay, so now we're gonna do highlight, and I'm gonna do more of this rosy highlight. This one is called Headliner. Let's see, the other one is more gold tone, this one is more rosy. Ooh, wow, that is really blind. Holy crap, that's really, really blinding with no fixed blush, no setting spray. Like, I love it. This palette is 100% a win so far. Moving on, we have this Trestique mascara. This is the Good Vibes mascara, retailing for $25. It says, treat your lashes to the ultimate curling, lengthening, and volumizing fun with your new Trestique Good Vibes mascara. This is an all-in-one mascara. Like, it has an eyelash curler in here. Like, what? Okay, so let's open this up and see how to use this thing. This is what this contraption looks like. So you need to flip this little thing, and then you can curl your eyelash. That's kind of scary, but awesome at the same time. Let's try this out. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in a little bit, and I'm gonna try this little weird eyelash curler thing out. So I'm just supposed to like put my eyelash in here, and oh, okay, did curl. That piece is curled. Now we gotta move it more inside. Ow. Okay, got it. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but it did curl a little. It's just a little hard and ow! Ow! It's a little hard to use, and it got all my makeup on it. So that's that. Okay, so as you can see, that did curl. It's definitely not my favorite. I pinched myself a couple times, and I think that a regular eyelash curler would be much better. But now let's go ahead and try the mascara. The little wand is very skinny compared to this ginormous tube. Let's go ahead and try out the mascara on the curled side, and I'm actually going to try out the mascara on the not curled side too. It works really well on my lower lash line, so I can say that, but it's just like bulky packaging. The curler is really uncomfortable to use, so that's kind of a flop for me. So yes, let's move on. What else is in here? Okay, so we have 3 more products left. This is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow Night Serum. So I'm not gonna be trying this, but I am gonna see the consistency and like how it smells and stuff on the back of my hand. Okay, so this Pharmacy Night Serum retails for $58. I'm loving that Boxycharm has been putting so much skincare. Like, I'm just really trying new things and expanding my skincare, and I'm just really happy that they're putting skincare. So it's kind of like thickish consistency, which is good for night. It can really penetrate your skin, and it feels very lightweight, and it does smell like honey, so that's good. Okay, so next, I'm so excited for this product. This is Dominique Cosmetics Peach Tea Lemonade Lip Gloss, and this retails for $17. Christine Dominique is another YouTuber here, and I've watched her videos before. She's great, and I'm so excited that one of her products is in the box because I've actually never tried anything. Oh, this smells so good. I love it. Okay, this reminds me of the Hank and Henry liquid lipsticks, like that cupcake dessert smell. That smells really good. So again, this is in the shade Peach Tea. Let's give it a try. I'm not putting on anything under so I can try it. Ooh, it feels really good. It feels nice and moisturizing. Okay, so it feels awesome on the lips. I said it felt like moisturizing, and now I'm reading and it's hydrating, so A+. And the packaging is so cute. Like, look at this, it's pink and gold, and I just, fabulous, love that. So last but not least, we have a Skin & Co product, Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. So I wasn't sure if you actually put this on before or after your makeup. So it says here that it has a bunch of amazing ingredients like
truffle, rosemary, ginger, peppermint, like so much going on.
And it says this refreshing mist encourages a radiant complexion while rebalancing the skin's pH level, tightening pores, and setting makeup. So I think that you might be able to use this before, you know, to tighten those pores. But for today, I'm going to be trying it out as a setting spray. So I'm just gonna check the mist first. Okay, it's kind of like nice. It's not like super like soft or anything, but this retails for $35, so let's give it a try. Oh my god, it's kind of squirting at my face. It smells so minty. Oh, okay, no, it like really shoots out at your face. I can see some water droplets on my skin. Not my favorite mist, you know, but the smell is kind of interesting. It smells like Altoids, like minty Altoids. I don't really smell any truffle in there, and I know the truffle is very strong, and it says that it's for all skin types, so we'll see. Is there some dew? Is there some shine? I don't know. I don't really see much of a difference. It feels nice. The mist is a little bit too like hard, I guess. It's nothing compared to like my Morphe setting spray. Oh, be careful, don't get in your eye, it'll sting a little bit. But yeah, that's that one. Okay guys, so that is the end of this Boxy try on haul. There was a bunch of really good products in this month's box. I'm really happy with it. The overall value of this month's box was $352, and I only paid $50 for this. Boxyluxe is every 3 months. It is March, June, September, and December. So 4 times in the year you get a really nice big box with a bunch of products, and the overall value is usually more than $300, which is insane. So yeah guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this try on style Boxycharm unboxing. If you want to see more videos like this, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below so you can see more of me. And also click the notification bell so you're notified when I post. I'm posting on Wednesdays and on Sundays. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!